Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 18, and today at school is the first day of finals. I'm so nervous. Also today, my friend went on a week-long vacation to California, and I get to see her today, so I'm so excited. We're gonna get a meet up before school, and we're just gonna hang in her car. So I'm so excited to see her. Yeah.
I'll say something.
So this is my twin I reunited with.
Chocolate. Oh, let's get in here. Oh yeah, trying to take the whole fucking bag.
Back. So your wiper blades are on.
Yeah, my car because it's so
No, because you guys are kind of like both on. So that's why it looks close, but it's fine. See?
Do my fingers so confusing?
I think that just turned it off. Yeah, I don't like that for taste.
Another peppermint.
Oh, then if I can outside, do like a peppermint.
Wait, I don't know.
So did your car start up okay after being gone for a while? Okay. Oh, let me turn this one. Pretty slow? No. Yeah, you can record it. Just hit it. Okay, wait, let me roll this up so I'll hold it.
Let's make a nickname for him with Eminem.
Eminem. Yeah, so basically Eminem is the new talking stage girlfriend, whatever the fuck she is. It keeps viewing my profile like 4 times a day, I'm not even kidding you. And then like Eminem viewed my no. Yeah, TikTok profile. He viewed it. And it was my secret account, and I thought he was gonna unfollow me, but he never did, and then he rewatched my TikTok 4 times.
Okay, new story time, guys.
Wait, guess what? You know Griffin?
Yeah.
He buzzed his hair and
I know, I saw a story.
And then he bleached it, but it was orange.
Yeah.
But he re-bleached it, and I think it actually looks good.
I looked at it, I was like, why is it
He was
orange?
balding.
He looks like the box troll in box trolls. You guys
I've
know
never
what?
seen that.
You've never seen box trolls?
Me either.
What the hell? I would put up a picture, but I left my
With the funny guy.
With the funny guy, with the funny guy?
No, it's literally with the. It's like what? It's like an animated.
Why
not
do you?
animated,
Why do you
it's not
two-hand your
like a
Alani?
cartoon, but I don't. How do you guys know what? Box
You
trolls?
like?
Look up box trolls on your.
Can I turn this down?
What? Box trolls. It's like called box. You mean Paw Patrol?
Okay, update.
No.
Do you have any more? How was Disneyland?
I was there for 14 hours.
I know. I could
everything's
not imagine because
Everything.
when I went, I was there for like 8 or 9, and I was dead.
I can't relate. I've only been there once in my life, and that was in kindergarten. I just spent the night there. First, ready?
Yeah.
Dad, lean back for a second. Ready? Miss. You suck at catching. No, sure.
Actually, I don't want it.
I fell on the floor. Why would you
Draw out car.
Oh, not me missing. And now it's all over my
Don't
black
draw out my
pants.
car. Bitch.
I just did. Now there's a dent.
Yeah, so basically, on Saturday, what day did I get there?
Gabby, where did you get your car at?
Her dad just literally gave it to us. And now he just drives his girlfriend. So she has a better car than her dad. I would kill for that.
No, I don't know. I feel like I like their Jeep.
Girl, you have like a double, triple screen going on.
No, like the Jeep it's not like Callie's Jeep. They have like,
Is it like the...
It looks like
car
that
Jeep?
car, but
Yeah.
it's a Jeep.
Like that car?
No, I'm not sure.
Oh, I wonder if it's a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Is it bigger than that?
Well, I would say it's like the same size, but it's more like my car.
Oh, well, that's probably not brand new. Newer.
Where is that? Oh. Yeah.
What food did you... Elliot, what the fuck? You think it's funny, but I'm not laughing.
You're laughing right now.
Why did you sound like that?
Because
Yeah,
I'm
no.
fucking done with all
What
your
the fuck?
bullshit.
Oh.
Drama.
I'm just kidding. No, stop.
Okay, but anyways.
I was gonna.
Oh, yeah, stop. Wait, on December 9th?
I forgot Tylenol again! Oh my god! My hand, bro.
On December 9th, I brought Right. All from the Snapchat like memories, all the pictures we took, and like we kind of look the same, but like we look different.
Can I borrow some of that? My hands. Can you like rub it in for me?
Oh my god.
My hands like smell like hydrogen
Peroxide.
Which it smells nasty. Yeah, but you know if you keep your nails on for a couple more weeks, they'll break. They'll break. Home return nail will break off. Yes, it will. I've been
Oh.
kept them on for a long time.
Hold on, let me have this on.
But I ain't even month yet.
Oh really?
Smell it. I've had them on for like a month and a half on one time. They're not good.
This Tylenol.
I have ibuprofen.
Does that work?
Why?
It'll make it bleed.
Well.
Oh.
So Paige, are you ready for finals?
No, pain.
Tylenol is ibuprofen.
Obese.
Ibuprofen is Advil.
Yeah, they're different.
And Advil will make you
Wait,
bleed.
how are you taking the finals today?
I don't know.
We study.
Like even if you were here every day, you still.
Shut up.
Wait, Maddie's car is nice.
Wait, did you bring my sketchbook, Ellie?
No.
What's a sketchbook?
I will drive to your house right now. Did you actually forget it?
Wait, what's a sketchbook?
My art sketchbook. All this stuff is due today, and I have to do my final on it.
Girl, just
Ellie, did you actually forget it?
go home.
Open up your bag right now.
She forgot it. Wait, Paige, you should probably go.
Right. What?
Go get it. You can be late.
JK, it's in my bag.
Okay, good.
Oh my god.
What time is it?
Oh, it's 52. What time do you guys want to
It's
go?
52?
I gotta go.
Taris, did you just spot?
Okay, bye guys. This is my twin.
Bye.
Just got done taking 2 finals.